Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also, make sure to go down in the description and sign up for GRVT, who I've partnered with this month. They're offering some big airdrop and reward incentives for using their platform in the description below. Totally free to sign up, so go get involved with that. Along with the other links, there's tons of free money and opportunities on the table down there, so go and sign up below to everything and get involved with that. And also, finally, if you're interested in my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well. It's been allowing me to average into these markets as we continue to chop sideways in bear market ranges for the vast majority of altcoins. You can see Polygon recently coming down and touching the bottom of its bear market range finally, after really just having this big drop, the bounce, and then forming a range between our 0.23 Fibonacci at 52 cents and our resistance 618 Fibonacci at around 125. Ever since here, you can see we've basically been bouncing between these two for the past few years as I've been averaging in and averaging in. And then recently we did finally get a breakdown, as you can see, breakdown, back test, continuation to touch the range low, grab some liquidity down here, and then we did have a very nice bounce to the upside in the local area, finally breaking that downtrend resistance. As you can see here, downtrend resistance continually getting tested. It finally got that break, and then we've come down actually and fully retraced that move, back testing into our previous level of structure here, down at around 40 cents. But I'd probably predict that this is basically just because Bitcoin had a little bit of a fall last week and basically just crushed the altcoin market back down. But considering that we've finally broken out of this level here, I could imagine, you know, you're looking to start doing something like this. Maybe this inverse head and shoulders pattern that I was talking about is probably not valid in this instance anymore, but I would say that we're definitely looking at finding this level here as a good support. I could easily see now that we've broken that resistance, we could come back up into that 0.23 Fibonacci level here again, provided that Bitcoin plays ball, goes sideways at the very least, and allows altcoins to get a nice little rally to the upside. Right now, everything obviously very highly correlated to Bitcoin, and I would predict overall that in the long term we are going to see altcoins getting a nice move to the upside once Bitcoin starts playing ball. Right now we're still chilling and waiting for that to be the case, but you can see obviously the demand is there for Polygon once it does get the green light from the wider market. And I do think that we will be seeing a big move to the upside for a lot of altcoins once we do see Bitcoin giving the green light to altcoins to finally start getting a good move to the upside. So still chilling, still waiting, but I do think this is an area that we will be seeing a nice bounce. In my opinion, we're very oversold now, as you can see. Big bullish divergences coming in at the lows as well. Let's see what we can do. Like and subscribe for more.